Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can hack a lighter so that it gets an absolutely massive flame. If we light this lighter right now, as you can see, it's got a decent flame, but it's not that big. I think I might have already hacked this one a little bit, but the flame's not that impressive. That's alright actually. And if you turn it up to max power, I think I might have already actually hacked this one, I'm not sure. We should get a little slightly bigger flame, but it's really not that impressive. As you can see, it's still on there. Just got to put that out. So first thing you're going to want to do is just get your nails in here or a tool, and just going to take the top off of the lighter. Next, you're going to want to crank this little wheel here so that it goes round to the side which has the plus on it. So if you look at the container here, it'll have a minus and a plus, and the plus side is going to make more fuel come out. So I'm just going to turn it all the way to the right. And then we're going to lift the little cog bracket off, and we're going to turn it all the way back around to the left, but without actually turning the wheel. Then we're going to drop it back down. Then we're going to crank it round again, and this is like overclocking the lighter. You can do it more times than that, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want just a huge massive spray of fuel everywhere. Now when we light it, it should be a little bit bigger. As you can see, it is limited to how fast the fuel can actually come out of the lighter. But you can get a pretty big flame if you keep... another problem is it can sort of stay alight even when you've stopped pressing the button down because of how widely opened it is. It shouldn't leak fuel, but yeah, you can keep turning it as many times as you want. Eventually, if you turn it too many times, it will just spray out fuel, and it won't be able to light it properly because it won't have enough sort of oomph for the sparks from the little flint inside here to light it on. It will just leak gas everywhere. But yeah, that's how you hack a cheap $1 lighter. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.